back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting daily work from home job lead for you. If you've ever heard of Crumble Cookie, there are these magnificent cookie places all over the United States. Some people like them, some people don't. I have a big sweet tooth, so I enjoy cookies of all kind from whatever bakery. But we have a remote job lead from Crumble Cookie today. The link to the application page, if you're interested, is linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, you give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button and of course share with all your friends and family. But Crumble Cookie is looking for a customer assist specialist. This is going to be a part-time position. Now, it says you'll support customers through text chat and phone calls, so you will have to have the occasional phone call in a professional manner, track data on tech, customer service concerns, and support both franchise teams and the technology department. The main part of this job, though, is going to be fielding those chats and issues from customers and giving a friendly, helpful response to their concerns. You'll also interact with Crumbl customers through an online chat system, so text chat and online chat. The majority of this job is going to be working that chat. You'll collect data to help notify developers at tech departments of any trends that need to be addressed. You'll participate in weekly meetings to collect feedback on performance. And of course, you'll be supporting customers in multiple countries. Now, one thing to quickly note, it says this position is either going to require you have access to the Crumble Cookie headquarters offices or a strong, reliable internet access. So this is going to be completely remote as long as you have strong, reliable internet access. So I'm assuming you can't use any like satellite internet. Just be aware of that going in. But they're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who is open to learning and operating internal applications for communications and information gathering, someone who can recognize an issue and handle the issue. So basically like a problem solver, and someone who can be empathetic to the needs of the customers. All right, I just wanted to quickly share because this was something a little bit different, but if you enjoyed this job lead, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, live in our happiest, healthiest life. If you have anything specific that you are looking for, you can leave that down in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.